This is the elephant breeding ground. There's, for example, one mom and baby. And when I came by there, my guide gave me a sugar cane stalk to toss in there. So I tossed in there, and the lady, Mama, got it, enjoyed it. And here's another. And then there you got the baby lying on the ground.